Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your cash on the Bifrost Wallet application. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the Bifrost Wallet application but you face various issues which doesn't allow you to use the application correctly, then there is one way to fix this issue. For this, first of all, open up your phone settings and then from the settings page, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from the apps page, scroll down and search for Bifrost Wallet, or you can also use the search option. Go ahead and tap on the application once you find it and you will be taken into the app info page. Now from this page, first of all tap on force stop at the bottom right corner to stop the app by tapping on OK. Then scroll down and tap on storage, and once you do this, you will find the clear cache button at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on this button and this will immediately clear all of the cache for the Bifrost Wallet app. And now after clearing the cache of the application, if you open it back up, you will see that the application is now running very smoothly indeed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear your cache on the Bifrost Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.